So friends, in this video I will explain the difference between the prime lens and zoom lens. So prime lens is the lens where you can't zoom into the subject, and zoom lens, as in the name indicates, you can zoom on the subject. So the common thing in these two lenses is that there is a focus ring on both these lenses, but the zoom ring is available only on the zoom lens, and that is used to zoom onto the subject. So I will show you now two different lenses and the rings as well. So you can see that this is a zoom lens, and on the zoom lens you will see something like 18 to 55 mm. So this is the focal length, and since it is a zoom lens, the focal length is not fixed. That means you can have the focal length starting from 18 mm and it can go up to 55 mm. That is, you can zoom in. As the focal length increases, you are zooming into the subject. So this is the zoom ring. This is the zoom ring, and this is the focus ring. So on the zoom lens there are two rings, one for zooming into the subject and another for focusing on the subject. Now I will show you the prime lens. So here we have got this prime lens, again from the Nikon. You can see that there is no numbers like 18 to 55 mm, something like that. Reason being, this is the prime lens. That means you can't change the focal length. Focal length is fixed, that is 35 mm for this particular lens. But if you look at this particular lens, this zoom lens, you can see that there are two rings on that. One is zoom ring, this one, and another is focus ring. On the prime lens there is just one ring, that is called as a focus ring. This is used to focus on the subject in the manual focus mode. That's it. Thanks for watching.